Hi, it's Lauren from Webbers in South Molton, and I'm on our extremely popular Bee Meadow development in South Molton. Built and designed by award-winning builders Baker Estates, who pride themselves on being a cut above the rest. So come and see why. Now you've had a look outside, I'm inside one of the home styles that are available, which is the popular Primrose design. It's a 3-bedroom detached bungalow, and as you can see behind me, it's got a beautiful kitchen diner, spacious lounge and a double garage. We've been proudly working alongside this development for 4 years now, and it's proven to be extremely popular, and I'm sure you can see why. We have our last few homes remaining now, so if you'd like to live on this beautiful development, please do give us a call to find out more.